Today I'm going to show you how to make my green rotisserie chicken enchiladas. They are so easy to make. It's great for a busy weeknight. I use rotisserie chicken and I love to use store-bought pico de gallo just to cut down on time. You can certainly make your own. These are a lot like my red rotisserie chicken enchiladas. Those are a little bit more kid-friendly just because this has pico de gallo, so if your kids are into crunch and peppers, then this would be the recipe for you. I will link both below this video, but let me show you how to make them. They are super awesome because you can refrigerate them or freeze them and pull them out whenever you need. Take them to a friend. They're awesome.
In a large bowl with your shredded rotisserie chicken, add 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans, along with half of a 10-ounce pico de gallo container, which is about half a cup. Then you're going to add in 1 cup of shredded queso quesadilla cheese, and you could certainly use regular shredded Mexican or sharp cheddar. Mix it all together. Then in your pan, you're going to put about 1/4 cup of green enchilada sauce, spread it around the bottom, and then take a flour tortilla and fill it with your filling. Fold it over and place it in your pan. Repeat with your remaining tortillas. Now, just a note, this is a small pan and I'm going to use 2 of them. You could definitely use a 9x13 Pyrex dish. Drizzle the rest of your can of green enchilada sauce over all of the tortillas, making sure to cover each one. Then I put the remainder of the shredded queso quesadilla cheese on top. I like to do it in a little line down the middle because I think it looks nice, but you could spread it all over evenly. Next, I'm going to take the additional filling that I have with the chicken and beans and pico de gallo, and I like to spread that over the top of the enchiladas. It bakes up really nice. You can see what's inside of them, and it's really pretty. Bake these in the oven until bubbly and just beginning to brown. You can also place it in the freezer before baking it or in the fridge for later use. If you put it in the freezer, just defrost overnight before you bake it the next day. Enjoy!